Love the way the bacon tastes in the heart. So it's just gone 7 AM. I'm gonna make a video on what I would typically eat over the course of 3 days. Short rib and 2 lamb's hearts, which I'm going to season with salt, and also going to put some bacon in there as well. Beautiful. Two pieces at the bottom. Love the way the bacon tastes in the heart. I actually like to kind of just break it up and cover it a little bit. Put that one in there. Perfect. Just about fits that. That'll be ready for me when I get back. Okay, so for my actual breakfast, I'm going to have some 25% fat minced beef, 3 egg yolks. I'm going to put some cheese and butter on there and add some salt. I actually don't like to cook it completely, and I actually don't drain much of the fat. Add some cheese. If I eat this, I don't have to think about food for like the whole day, pretty much until evening time. Making a good mess here in the kitchen. Ground beef, 3 egg yolks, some cheddar cheese, some goat's cheese, and some butter. And now I'm going to demolish this. That was awesome. I'm either going to come back and have that for lunch, or I might do it. I might keep it on for like 10 hours and eat it for dinner, because that's probably going to keep me fueled up. Didn't have this for lunch because I wasn't even really that hungry, so turns out I'm having it for dinner instead. Part number 1, please. All that fat. This is absolutely delicious beef short rib. It's come completely off the bone there, but put some juice. Do it for now. So start with a couple of egg yolks. And I'm going to try one of these hearts. For my equivalent of dessert, some goat's cheese. You know it's all good when you see the saturated fats in red. I'm only going to have half of this just because it does have naturally occurring lactose, so I don't go too crazy with it. Okay, so for today's breakfast, 2 ribeye steaks and about 6 egg yolks. And I'm going to cook that up using some ghee. I'll show you guys when it's finished. There you go. Time to eat. Okay, so for today's dinner I've got some duck's legs which I've just pricked the skin, and I'll season with pink Himalayan rock salt. That one there. I'll stick that in for about an hour, although I do open the door a few times to rebaste with all the fats and juices. And then halfway through I'll stick these pork belly slices in, which I'll season a little bit with salt, but they'll absorb some of the flavour from the duck, so that should be interesting. Pork in there with the duck. I'll just baste these a little bit more. In there for nearly half an hour. So this is going to be my last breakfast. I'm actually running pretty late, so I'm going to have sardines and spring water. I drink the juice because I think there's taurine content in the fluids. A couple of egg yolks and some raw beef. I'm actually running super late, so this is just a convenience breakfast really. I'm going to start with egg yolks. The sardines, pour the fluid into a cup because of the taurine. Cheers. Some raw beef. It's pretty good actually. Sardines. This is the last meal to conclude the day and also this video. I'm going to make some minced beef. I'm going to have some lamb's liver with it and cook that with bacon. Add some butter and a bit of salt. Just put all of it in there. And bacon grease to cook the liver in. Don't want to cook your liver for too long. It's far more palatable when it's quick each side. It's basically browning itself just through. I don't even need to put that back on the heat. So I'm actually just going to finish by eating some creme fraiche. It's pretty good actually, the ratios. So I don't know if you can see there, of which saturates 21.6 grams per 100 grams. And then you've got just 2.7 grams of sugar. So really good ratios there. I don't feel too guilty about eating that. Oh, this one's still beating.
Top of sausage.
Stop it. Stop. No, stop.
This makes you feel sorry for people on live TV, doesn't it? And they're sort of doing cooking programs and they're trying to do like the most simple things, but all of a sudden it's like an impossible task.